Right, this is problem number 25. Let me solve here. Right, here what, how many stones of 0.50 meter square can be fixed in a courtyard of length 15 meter and width 10 meter? If cost of fixing one stone is rupees 250, what will be the expenditure of fixing stones in the courtyard? Right, here, so required number of stones is equal to area of courtyard, correct, that divided by area of a stone. Area of courtyard, which is in terms of, which is given in terms of meter, and this also in terms of meter, that is going to be 15 into 10, that divided by, directly they have given area, that is going to be 0.5. 15 into 10 is 150, that divided by 0.5. To simplify, you are going to get 300. The required number of stones is 300. So they have mentioned the cost of fixing the one stone is 2 rupees 50 paise, correct. So cost of 300 stone is equal to what? That is what we need to find out. That is nothing but 2.50 into 300. 300 into 2, that is 600. 300 half, that is 150, which is going to be 750. The rupees 750 is the expenditure to fix the stone, right? This is the answer.